Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a colorful adventure with the tie-dye powder kit, featuring 34 vibrant colors perfect for all your DIY projects. We found this fantastic product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this tie-dye powder kit? It's a comprehensive set that includes 34 packets of 10 grams of tie-dye powder, offering you an impressive variety of colors to unleash your creativity. Whether you're looking to decorate clothing, create unique crafts, or just have some fun with friends and family, this kit is perfect for all your tie-dye needs. Now, let's talk about the standout features of this kit. First and foremost, the colors are long-lasting and washable. This means that after you've created your custom designs, you can wash them without worrying about fading. Your vibrant creations will maintain their vividness through multiple washes, which is great for everyday wear or special occasions. One of the highlights of this kit is the incredible variety of colors. With 34 different shades to choose from, the possibilities are truly endless. You can mix and match to create unique patterns or stick to your favorites for a more cohesive look. This wide palette is fantastic for both kids and adults, allowing everyone to express their creativity in their own way. Speaking of kids, this kit is designed with safety in mind. All the colors are non-toxic and easy to use, making it perfect for younger artists. It's an excellent choice for family DIY projects, birthday parties, or even Halloween celebrations. Imagine the joy on your children's faces as they create their own colorful masterpieces. Now, let's consider some practical use cases for the tie-dye powder kit. You can throw a tie-dye party where everyone can personalize their own t-shirts, tote bags, or even pillowcases. It's a great way to bond with friends and family while encouraging creativity. Additionally, this kit is an ideal choice for summer camps, school projects, or just a fun afternoon at home. You'll find that it sparks interactive group activities, making it a hit for any gathering. In summary, the tie-dye powder kit is a fantastic product for anyone looking to explore the world of tie-dye. With its vibrant colors, ease of use, and safety features, it's suitable for both kids and adults. Whether you're planning a party or just want to get crafty at home, this kit has everything you need. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.